Hi guys, this is Erica from Gokce Capital. Now before I begin, be sure to click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Woodworker and outdoorsman Andrew Cito built a cabin for $8,000. How? We'll find out at the end of this video. But first, if you too plan to construct a cabin, consider the A-frame. And in today's video, we have the top things you should know. Number 1. What is an A-frame? In simple terms, an A-frame is a house shaped like an equilateral triangle. It has a distinctive peak as the roof covers the rafters and goes all the way to the ground. The crosspiece of the A is created by horizontal collar beams, which are intended to stabilize the structure. These beams also form a sleeping loft. Number 2. What are the advantages of an A-frame? Well, their biggest advantage is inexpensive sturdiness. In short, they are more affordable than a conventional design. They also perform well in severe weather, which makes them ideal for climates that receive a lot of snow. And because two walls are completely open, they have great natural lighting. Number 3. What are the disadvantages of an A-frame? Well, some people find the sloping walls awkward to navigate. On top of this, A-frames typically have an open floor plan which can limit privacy. And finally, A-frames have a unique design that not everyone likes. And number 4, if you are looking to build an A-frame, one of the biggest advantages is that there are many affordable modular A-frame kits out there. For example, if you are just looking for a simple weekend glamping cabin, there are a number of small A-frame kits you can purchase for about $20,000 to $30,000. For more money, you can get larger models as well, which function more like a traditional house or cabin. Alternatively, you can build one yourself, for A-frames are relatively cheap and easy to construct, which was how Andrew Cito managed to build a cabin for only $8,000 plus the cost of land. Andrew, a photographer and Coast Guard engineer, fell in love with woodworking when he discovered the Ottawa City Woodshop, a community woodshop in the heart of Canada's capital. At the woodshop, he met Richard Scott, an experienced woodworker who quarterbacked Andrew through a series of increasingly ambitious projects. So, by the time Andrew got wind of an acre of land selling for only $6,000 in rural Low, he was ready for his biggest endeavor to date. He would build a small A-frame cabin for under $10,000. The build took about 40 days and cost $8,012, including materials, a stove, composting toilet, and a climbing wall. Andrew documented the whole build on YouTube. So in the end, his cabin build brought him not only a weekend getaway, but fame as well. And if he can do it, so can you. Just follow this one tip. Don't skimp on materials. Build quality the first time, and you'll be much happier when the next storm hits. But what do you think? Are you ready to build an A-frame? Let us know in the comments. Did you like this video? You're going to love our Gokce Land Due Diligence program. We'll make you a land due diligence expert in just 7 days. Check it out at gokcecapital.com/glad. And while you're at our website, don't forget to explore our $1 down properties at gokcecapital.com/listings. Finally, don't hesitate to reach out. You can email, call, or text, and we will respond as soon as possible. So thank you for listening, and more to come.